Do you want to know how you can install Telegram on your desktop? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can install Telegram on your PC. Go ahead and open any browser, go to the search bar and then search for Telegram download. You can see this is the link for you. Go ahead and click on the first link and then click Get Telegram for Windows. Go ahead and select your download space and this file will download. After the file has been downloaded, locate the file and install the file. So go ahead and install this file, click OK, select the file settings and you can see that you can click next and you can enable to create a desktop shortcut. After that, go ahead and click next, click install, and in a while you can notice that Telegram desktop will be installed on your PC. Now you can use all of the Telegram settings and all of your chats which is on your phone. So go ahead and click start messaging and scan the code which is over here from your Telegram mobile and start using Telegram now. I hope this video about how you can download and install Telegram on your PC was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.